Festivals we celebrate. Highlights of the lesson. Festivals. Types of festivals. Religious festivals. National festivals. Festival. A festival is a special occasion of celebration and enjoyment. In our country, we celebrate many festivals, including Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, etc. Moreover, people from different religions celebrate different festivals. India is a land of festivals. Types of festivals. We celebrate religious festivals and national festivals. Religious festivals celebrated in India. 1. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights celebrated by the Hindus. It marks the day Lord Rama came back to Ayodhya after defeating Ravana. During Diwali, people decorate their houses with lights, burst firecrackers and distribute sweets to near and dear ones. 2. Holi. Holi is the festival of colors, celebrated by Hindus. During this festival, people play with colors, eat delicious food and greet each other. 3. Dussehra. The Hindus in North India celebrate Dussehra. LT is believed that on this day, Lord Rama killed Ravana. During Dussehra, people go to fairs and the idol of Ravana is burnt to celebrate the victory of Lord Rama. 4. Eid. Eid is celebrated by the Muslims. People wear new clothes and go to the mosque to offer prayers. Food and clothes are distributed among the poor people. 5. Christmas. Christians celebrate Christmas on 25th December to mark the birth of Jesus Christ. People go to the church to offer prayers and sing carols. They decorate their houses with lights and Christmas trees. Delicious foods like turkey roast, cakes, pies, etc. are prepared. 6. Guru Nanak Jayanti. Guru Nanak Jayanti is observed by the Sikhs to mark Guru Nanak's birthday. People go to Gurudwara to offer prayers. Kada Prasad and Langar are distributed among everyone. National festivals. National festivals are celebrated everywhere in the country by all people. The national festivals of India are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. These festivals are celebrated at schools, offices, government organizations, and universities. Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. On this day, in the year 1947, India became an independent country. Our freedom fighters fought against British rule to make our country independent. On this day, the national flag is hoisted by our Prime Minister in Red Fort, New Delhi. Schools, colleges, and universities celebrate this day by hoisting a national flag, performing plays, and organizing cultural activities. Republic Day of India. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. On this day in 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect, which made India an independent republic. Republic Day is grandly celebrated in New Delhi with parades and processions. Educational institutions also observe this day with cultural programs. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year to mark the birthday of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhiji, born on 2nd October 1869, is called the father of the nation. Let's recall. Many festivals are celebrated in our country. Main festivals of the Hindus are Dussehra and Diwali. The Muslims celebrate Eid after the holy month of Ramzan. Christmas is celebrated as the birthday of Jesus Christ. National festivals are celebrated by the whole nation on the same day. We have three national festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Glossary. Offer. Present. Homage. Respect. Honor. In the pride of. Assessment. 1. Answer the following question. 1. Name the festival that is celebrated on 26th January. Answer. The festival celebrated on 26th January is Republic Day. 2. What do people do in Dussehra festival? Answer. In Dussehra, people celebrate by burning effigies of Ravana and organizing fairs. 3. When do we celebrate Christmas? Answer. We celebrate Christmas on 25th December. 4th. In which year did India become a republic? Answer. India became a republic in 1950.